Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily fix Wondershare Filmora crashing repeatedly on Mac problem. Frequent crashes in Wondershare Filmora on Mac can quickly disrupt your editing workflow and lead to frustration, especially when working on important projects. These issues can happen due to many factors such as outdated software, overloaded cache files, compatibility problems, or limited system resources. That's it. Let me show you how to get rid of this annoying problem. So first you have to launch the Wondershare Filmora app on your Mac. And then you have to hit the menu button located at the top right. And then you have to choose the preferences option in the drop down menu. After that you have to hit the media cache tab located at the top. Then you have to select all the options and hit the apply button. When prompted, make sure to confirm the deletion of all the media cache. After that, you have to go back and choose the check for updates option. If an update is available, make sure to install the update. Now you have to hit the Apple menu located at the upper left corner of the screen and then choose Force Quit option in the menu. Now ensure that Filmora is selected in the menu and hit the Force Quit button. Then you have to restart your Mac, and once your Mac has successfully rebooted, launch Filmora to check whether or not you have gotten the better of the problem. I hope you have finally overcome the problem, and now Filmora has started to work like a charm. Fixing repeated crashes in Wondershare Filmora doesn't have to be complicated once you identify the root cause. By keeping your software updated, clearing the unnecessary files, and optimizing your Mac's performance, you can significantly reduce crashes and improve the stability. With these fixes, you'll be able to edit smoothly and focus on creating without interruptions. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily get rid of Filmora crashing problem on your Mac OS device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Mac OS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.